Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. Hey, there's sometimes when you get a tough con, and there's sometimes when you get a pretty easy con. We have two cons today, which I believe are pretty easy, that you can get through pretty quickly. First one, multiplying positive and negative fractions. So here's what we've got. I don't know if you've ever heard of the song that says multiplying fractions is no problem. First, you multiply the tops, then you multiply the bottom. So let's do that. What is 7 times 7? 49. What's 8 times 5? 40. A negative times a negative would be a positive, so it should be 49 over 40. Then, can we simplify that? In this case, no. So there's our answer. See how easy that was? Let's do that one more time. Could it really be that easy? First, you multiply the tops. Okay, well, that would be 18. Then you multiply the bottoms. Well, that would be 56. And a negative times a negative is a positive, so it says positive 18 over 56. Can we simplify that? Oh, yeah, both are even numbers, so we can. That would equal 9 over 28. It is just that easy, guys. Should blow through that one pretty quickly, and I'm here to check all your answers for you. Now, dividing. Ooh, dividing is always so much more harder, Mr. Anderson. Yeah, not really, because here's what happens in this one. When you are dividing, you can always turn division into multiplication by doing the reciprocal. The what, Mr. Anderson? It's called the reciprocal. It's when you take a fraction and you literally flip it upside down. It has to be an improper fraction like this one is, and then you just simply flip it upside down. So what's the opposite? What's the flipped version of negative 7 over 2? Yeah, it would be negative 2 over 7. So you can see I just simply took that fraction, flipped it upside down, and I took that what used to be a division sign right there, and it's now a multiplication sign. Then it's just like the ones above. Multiplying fractions is no problem. First you multiply the tops, then you multiply the bottoms. And what does that equal? 10 over 56. A negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 7 is 56. Oh, but Mr. Anderson, you could simplify that. Yeah, you're right, you can. So there you go. Now, if you don't like rewriting this in that direction, you can actually do this even faster if you want. You will notice you would cross multiply this top 5 with this bottom 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Then you take this bottom 8 multiplied by this top 7, 56. If that didn't make sense to you, don't do it. But if it did, you can do it faster and get to there. Let's do one more problem. Again, I'm going to take this. I'm going to flip that second term. I'm going to do the reciprocal of it. When I do the reciprocal, it becomes 8 over 3, and I've got this fraction here. Then multiply the tops. 3 times 8. Yep, you should have that by 24 by now. 7 times 3, 21. Uh-oh, a negative times a positive is a negative. So it should be a negative 24 over 21. How easy was that? Oh, wait, Mr. Anderson, they can both be divided by 3. You are correct. So we'll simplify that to negative 8 over 7. Again, if we do this the faster way, 3 times 8, do the corners, 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 3, 21. A negative times a positive is a negative. And then simplify. That's all there is to it, guys. Look at that. 2 cons, less than 4 minutes to do a video on that. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.